Now let's get to the really terrifying part. Solar flare. A solar flare is essentially a magnetic event related to sunspots. In short, it's the release of intense energy just above the surface of the sun. But don't be fooled by how simply I explained it. If we were to release about 10% of the energy in the sun, it would be roughly 1,000,000 times the energy of all the nuclear weapons on Earth. You can imagine the rest. These explosions usually move at very high speeds and emit a large amount of radiation into space. Let me show you a video. Recorded on April 16, 2012. It looks incredible, doesn't it? We can clearly see the scattering of particles after the solar flare, and most of them are falling back onto the surface of the sun. If this flare in 2012 hadn't happened 9 days earlier, it could have caused serious damage to the Earth. For example, this part of the solar flare might seem small to you. Indeed, it looks very small compared to the massive size of the sun. But next to a tiny solar flare, the American continent looks just this small. Take a look at what we're up against. This is an image taken by the Solar Orbiter satellite from the sun towards the Earth. And this shows the position and size of the Earth, which remains in darkness in the satellite image. The intensity of these eruptions on the sun, just like earthquakes, cannot be predicted yet. However, the periods when they are likely to be more intense have already been determined. This is called the sunspot cycle. Sunspots continue in a cycle like storms that repeat themselves, approximately every 11 years. Many sunspots indicate a solar maximum with intense eruptions, while few sunspots signify a solar minimum. The period when eruptions on the sun are most frequently observed is the time called the solar maximum, when these spots are seen the most. In a moment, we'll see if we're in danger for the future, but first I'll take you back a long time ago, to one of the days when humanity experienced this solar eruption most intensely, the year 1859. That day, known as the Carrington event,